game is more fun when you work together. Find another kid to play along.
We were exploring the school last night and found a super secret hamster-sized room.
It's a great place to throw a dance party.
We'll need to decorate, but the party supplies are locked up, and the keys are all over the school.
We need your help. Work together to build ways to get all the missing keys.
In to grab the key or pop the balloon. Go, team! You helped me hook the key from the balloon. This key is on the other side of the lunchbox. Can you help me build a pulley to lift the lunchbox out of the way? When you want me to try your solution, tap me or the test button. What could you tie to the rope to pull this side down? The balloon can't pull up enough to lift the lunchbox. If you get stuck, tap the hint button for help. The pretzel broke from the weight. Do you see something more sturdy? What can we add to the basket to make it heavier? Could this give us a hint? Tap to see. The thread broke from the weight. What else could you use as a rope? The twine is too rough to slide over the peg. Is there something you could add to the pencil to help the rope move smoothly? Hooray! You added enough weight for the pulley to lift the lunchbox.